Let's explore different vehicles that take us from place to place. Car. A car takes people quickly from one place to another. Bus. A bus carries many passengers together. School bus. A school bus brings children safely to school. Taxi. A taxi takes passengers where they want to go. Police car. A police car helps officers reach emergencies fast. Ambulance. An ambulance carries sick people to the hospital. Fire truck. A fire truck rushes to put out fires. Garbage truck. A garbage truck collects trash from homes. Delivery van. A delivery van brings packages to your door. Pickup truck. A pickup truck carries heavy loads and goods. Tractor. A tractor helps farmers work in the fields. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a fast two-wheeled ride. Bicycle. A bicycle is pedaled to move from place to place. Scooter. A scooter is a small and easy ride for short trips. Auto rickshaw. An auto rickshaw carries people in busy streets. Horse carriage. A horse carriage moves people with horsepower. Camper van. A camper van is used for travel and camping. Ice cream truck. An ice cream truck brings treats to neighborhoods. Tow truck. A tow truck helps move broken down vehicles. Double-decker bus. A double-decker bus carries many passengers on two levels. Train. A train carries people and goods across long distances. Metro train. A metro train runs in the city to move people quickly. Tram. A tram carries passengers on tracks within the city. Bullet train. A bullet train moves people very fast between cities. Cable car. A cable car carries people up and down mountains. Ship. A ship travels across the sea, carrying people and cargo. Sailboat. A sailboat moves on water using the wind. Yacht. A yacht is a luxury boat for travel and fun. Canoe. A canoe is paddled on rivers and lakes. Kayak. A kayak is a small boat for one or two people. Rowboat. A rowboat moves when you row with oars. Ferry. A ferry carries people and vehicles across water. Cruise ship. A cruise ship takes people on long sea trips. Speedboat. A speedboat zooms quickly over water. Jet ski. A jet ski is for fast water rides and fun. Helicopter. A helicopter flies in the sky and lands anywhere. Airplane. An airplane flies high and takes people long distances.